The waiter is looking at you. You know what you want. You just don't know how to say it. I've got you. Hoi zusammen. I'm Ruedi, your friendly Swiss cow, and I'm here to teach you the Swiss German words that actually matter. Let's go. Phrase 1. At the bakery. Let's start at the bakery, because before the restaurant, there is the Bäckerei. And the Bäckerei has one word you absolutely need to know. Weggli. Weggli. That's the Swiss German word for bread roll. Soft, round, slightly sweet, with a little line down in the middle. You'll find them at every bakery counter in the country. And if you walk in and confidentially say, "Ich hätte ein Weggli bitte." Ich hätte gern es Weggli bitte. I'd like a bread roll, please. The person behind the counter will not flinch. They will not switch to English. They will just hand you your Weggli. And you will feel incredible. Pro tip, if you want two, just say zwei Weggli. Zwei Weggli. Swiss German plurals are delightfully simple. No complicated endings, just add the number. Phrase 2. Ordering drinks. You're now at the restaurant. The waiter comes over. You need to order drinks. This is where it gets fun. If you want a beer, and in Switzerland you probably do, you don't say ein Bier. You say a Stange bitte. A Stange bitte. A draut beer, please. A Stange is a standard draut beer, typically 3 deciliters. It's the default. It's what locals order. And saying it correctly will earn you a subtle but very real nod of approval from your waiter. Now, if beer isn't your thing, no judgment, and you want a coffee, you say, "En coffee bitte." En coffee bitte. A coffee, please. Short, simple, very satisfying to say. And yes, Swiss coffee culture is serious. You will get a good cup. Phrase 3. Asking for the bill. The meal is done. It was excellent. Now you need to pay. In Switzerland, you don't wait for the bill to magically appear. You ask for it. And the way you ask is simple. Zolle bitte. Zolle bitte. The bill, please. You can also catch the waiter's eye and just say, "Zolle," with a polite nod. They know exactly what you mean. No full sentence required. Now tipping. Let's talk about it because this confuses almost everyone. In Switzerland, services is included in the price. Always. There is no mandatory tipping culture. But if the food was good and the service was friendly, rounding up is completely normal. That's the Swiss way. So here's your full order for today. Weggli, the bread roll at the bakery. A Stange bitte, a draut beer, say it like a local. And coffee bitte, a coffee, short and sweet. Zolle bitte, the bill. Confident, clear, done. Eating and drinking in Switzerland is generally one of life's great pleasures. And now you have the words to enjoy it without the panic. Click the next video on your screen. There's a lot more Swiss German waiting for you, and I'll be right there with you. Bis zum nächsten Mal. See you next time.